Let's divide 402 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning long division, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 402, which is 4. We're going to use this digit for our first step. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, that's right. We subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've finished with the first digit. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 402, which is 0. Now we have 0 to work with. We're using the 0 from 402. It's like bringing down a new friend to join the party. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's multiply 0 times 2 is 0, perfect. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. We're still on a roll. You're doing so well, keep that amazing focus. We've handled the 0, time to meet the last digit. Last but not least, we bring down the final digit 2. Our number is now 2. We're using the last digit 2, it's the grand finale. How many times does 2 go into 2? You guessed it, 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 equals 2, exactly. Subtracting 2 from 2 leaves us with 0. Woohoo, no remainder. Fantastic work, you totally crushed this step. And that's it, we've divided 402 by 2. Look at what you've accomplished. So 402 divided by 2 is 201. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 402 by 2. Remember, every step in long division helps us understand numbers better. Keep practicing and you'll become a math whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep shining, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.